It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Wednesday, the 16th of October. I'm Michael Groff. Dry weather and above average temperatures today and tomorrow, but a cold front moving through the region brings in cooler conditions by Friday and for the weekend. How long does the cooler weather last, and do we have any chance of rain out there? Let's talk about it. First, the almanac from yesterday. 93 degrees the high in the valley, 68 was the low. The normals, 89 and 65. And yep, we're 2.5 inches behind on rainfall for the year. Outside now here at 4:55 a.m. It's early. It's dark. It is 70 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 39, humidity 33%. The winds are calm. The barometer is steady. Temperatures out there this morning. Yeah, it's in the low and middle 50s in the normal cool spots like Fort McDowell and Goldfield, but most of us, low 60s to low 70s. The upper air look, a deep upper trough over the northern plain states, but in its wake, a ridge is building in here across the southwest. That won't be lasting for too long, but it will give us warm temperatures in the short term. The watch warning map is pretty quiet. Some red flag warnings and fire danger concerns out here in the west. Wind advisories, parts of western North Carolina, West Virginia, and into Pennsylvania. Otherwise, not much happening there. Speaking of not much happening, the convective outlook, no organized areas of severe weather anywhere across the contiguous United States. And checking the tropics, in the Atlantic Basin, we've got tropical depression number 15 out there. But that's not going to do anything. It's near the Cape Verde Islands. It's going to just drift off to the northwest and diminish. We've got a little wave over the Bay of Campeche. This looked a little bit more promising for development yesterday. Not very organized today, but we'll keep an eye on it. Precipitation outlook valid through next Wednesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, nothing statewide, almost nothing as this dry weather pattern persists. And we will get into the details of it now as we take a look at the models. Check it out, the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. This is the upper look at about 18,000 feet. There's our ridge building in here across the southwest heights, a little bit above average. So down at the surface, sunny skies, a dry air mass, and temperatures above average. Highs today, somewhere between about 94 and 97. Tonight, clear skies and dry air, lows in the 60s to near 70. And then tomorrow, again, sunny skies. But here comes our cold front, and some models had indicated enough moisture for an isolated shower in eastern Arizona. I really don't think so, but we'll look for that. Here in the valley, though, sunny, dry, highs low to mid-90s, somewhere between 92 and 95. That'll move through here Thursday night and Friday looks to be a pretty nice day. Highs mid-80s, the sky mostly sunny. And then the weekend looking great also. Sunny skies, dry air, highs mid to upper 80s for both Saturday and Sunday. And we'll continue with mostly sunny skies. Highs pretty close to 90 on Monday. Tuesday, we see a ridge building in behind this trough as it moves out into the central plain states. High temperatures, upper 80s, low 90s. Here's a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 23rd. Still looks dry and slightly above average temperatures with a northwest flow. And going out 10 days to the end of the forecast period. This is Friday the 25th, and not much changing around here. We just don't see any indication of any major pattern change, at least for the southwestern United States, or any hope of rain anytime soon. Taking a look at the temperatures through the period coming off of the European ensemble, it's got us at 97 today. That could be about where we get to, and then downtrend in temperatures for the weekend, and pretty much staying relatively close to what we would normally see here in mid to late October. Highs 80s to about 90, lows mostly in the 60s, and maybe 1 or 2 days we sneak down into the 50s. Looks good. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be notified. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you very much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe and have a fantastic Wednesday.